my taste. So I'm just going to loosen that up and then shim it in there just a little bit. Go a little bit more. That looks good. You might be thinking, well, Pete, why didn't you just test that for plum? Well, you don't need to, because at this point, you're just following the contour of the door, because you may not have gotten this in perfectly plumb. You may have had to move it around to get the door to work. That's why we save the strike side for last, and you just shim it to match the door. Look how beautiful that is. That is a perfect installation with all kinds of tips and tricks. Now you see our bottom, we've got a nice 1/4 inch gap. And now that it's in, these plugs can be inserted like so. Glue them in or just push them in, and that'll look perfect. And if you want to go the extra mile, line up the grain with your plug and the grain of the jamb. It depends on your OCD level.